So up at the top right-hand side where it says add lead, we're going to go ahead and add our first lead. Let's call this first lead Bob. And let's say Bob reached out to us on Facebook and he's interested in a $5,000 package. So we're going to go ahead and put in the value of the lead. We're going to say it's from Facebook. Then we can add a quick note. I promise I can type, guys. If I don't hear back from him by Friday, I want to make sure that I follow up. I'm going to say this is a warm lead, so I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. I wanted to show you guys from this screen here, you can actually hold down, press and hold on Bob, and then you can drag it to hot or cold if you wanted to change the temperature of the lead. Under follow-up, you can see that you need to follow up with him next, and it shows you the date to follow up. And if you want to follow up, you just hit follow up and leave some notes. You can also click and see the little arrow right here next to edit. You can see the follow-up notes. And then you can actually go to reports and see how much money you have on the table. And finally, under settings, if you want to change the color scheme, you don't love the bright colors, change it to grayscale, and then you can see all the colors change to gray. All right, that'll get you started. So add in your first